Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a remarkable smartphone that captivates users with its innovative design and impressive features. This factory-unlocked Android device showcases a unique clamshell form factor that not only stands out aesthetically but also enhances the user experience. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display unfolds to reveal a vibrant and immersive screen, perfect for streaming videos and browsing social media. The resolution of 2640 by 1080 pixels ensures stunning visuals, while the adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz provides smooth scrolling and responsiveness. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is its compact size. When closed, it easily fits into pockets or small bags, making it highly portable. The phone's flex mode allows users to prop it up at various angles, which is perfect for video calls or capturing hands-free selfies. The 12MP ultra-wide and wide-angle dual camera system delivers impressive photography capabilities, allowing users to take stunning shots even in low-light conditions. The upgraded night mode enhances clarity and detail, making nighttime photography a breeze. Equipped with 128GB of storage, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 offers ample space for apps, photos, and videos. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, ensuring fast performance and seamless multitasking. Battery life is commendable as well, with a 3700 mAh battery that supports fast charging, ensuring that users can stay connected throughout the day. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 runs on Samsung's One UI, which is user-friendly and packed with customization options. Features like Samsung DeX allow users to connect the phone to a larger display for a desktop-like experience, further enhancing productivity. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a sophisticated and versatile smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with a stylish design. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking for practicality without sacrificing style, this device is a worthy investment.